Hello there, welcome to the second tutorial for Surr Simple Inventory version 2. This is going to be a fairly quick one about creating generic items. So, I've got my tutorial scene from the last video set up already. So, to create a generic item, all we have to do, so I'm going to create a cube object and have my item in there. So, I'm going to set it to 000, bring that out, make it a bit smaller as well, and slap a rigid body on it, and I'm going to put the SSI2 item script on there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this just a generic 2x2 cube. So you only have to configure these variables in the script. You don't have to do any code. Well, there is no code in this script. So the texture, I've got a whole bunch. I'm going to make it a 2x2 green. Width 2, height 2. I'm going to give it the item description. It's a 2x2 cube. I'm going to give it an item tag of generic. Item tags are useful if you want to call certain events that drop items of various tags. So, for some reason, you want the player to drop all the ammo they have. You might want to give something an ammo tag. And I'm going to give it a max stack of 4. I'd say. I'll give it a quantity of 4. This UI assigned to, you don't need to change it. Degrees of rotation. This is primarily aesthetic. The rotation. I'm going to stick to just 4 for this one. And what the next thing I'm going to do, so my raycast layer mask is on item. So I'm going to change the item's layer to the item. You will have to create this layer yourself, as should be covered in the first tutorial, I believe. So this means that the camera will now detect the item and you'll be able to pick it up. We go into our scene now. We now have a 2x2 cube. And we have 4 of it. Put it there. Put it there. As I said, this is a fairly quick tutorial, just for creating generic items. Thank you for watching, and the next tutorial will be about item events.